shy.
Killers in the building,
Don't make me have to tell about that. Okay, Ed. Tresemme shampoo.
Tresemme.
You wash it like how you would normally wash shoelace.
Make a deal with the top.
This is your God speaking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to visit my brothers. I'm on the train now, so we're about to move. Yeah, you might see some vlogging content. We'll see where this takes us. We're just gonna chill, do some challenges, so look out for that. I'm in the train now, so yeah, very spacious and big. Yeah, so I've got like a full entire row for myself. Yeah, so if you want to see all that, stay tuned.
Every gal is in a every scheme. Only wanna know what me mean. Them ask me how much girl me have. Me tell them 40, 11 team. Every gal is in a every scheme. Only wanna know what me mean. Them ask me how much girl me have. Me tell them 40, 11 team. Advanced level top gal is how it go. Advanced level slow it down, no rush. Advanced level top gal is how it go. Advanced level slow it down, no rush. She tell me we break up, but me gal in a April, and she me rate still. Even though me love her, me always get a beer pill. And me she call when she want her space fill. From school days, me a star in the play field. Gal in a me and she ever want stay. Enough time me have to tell her to go on her way.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm shy. I'm spending the weekend with my lovely brother. We will be doing some challenges, so look out for that. Broski's gonna cook for us, people. What's on the menu?
We're gonna have actually, we're gonna have caviar, mate. That's what we're gonna have. Caviar on the menu. You know how we living. We're living my lifestyle, which
AKA chicken. Otherwise,
chicken back. No, actually, I'm gonna actually bake some chicken today.
Yeah,
I'm actually a legend at this chicken.
Yeah.
Thing. Yeah. Make sure you follow that. You know what I mean? Make sure. Look out for the bud single. You know, commoners, you know, the bodies, you
advanced gallus.
But right now,
give them something. Eh?
Love is like too much. You are commoners.
Commoners.
Never see, come see.
Commoners.
Killers in the building.
Don't make me have to tell about that. Reacting to my video, people.
What's Leon on this one? And that's why you do your nails. And you never do your nails yet. Just because you shoot video you do nails.
That's a lie. Watch it. I'm for the nails and Corona time.
Before Corona, you know, do nails.
Yeah, come here, only do it on special occasions. Ain't nobody got time for that. Nobody got
nails on fleek. I really like the music in the background.
I wonder whose music it is. Stoops.
How are they? Why did they put your phone on?
Wireless charger.
Why you just put it on top of it?
Yeah, but you have to plug it in.
That's actually good.
Because the phone there, it can't charge like that.
Oh,
Because
is
something wrong with it. Yeah.
And we charge like that?
Yeah.
That's actually.
And when we go to Jamaica and the water going on my phone, it couldn't charge. I'm going to this alone currently.
That's actually really good. Oh. Does it charge quicker? That's the first time I see one of them chargers.
For all his phone people. All of them screen cracked. Look there. Destroyer, you call them people there.
But when is this gonna finish? Just free for time minutes.
Watch my video, them man.
Yeah, but I've been watching video from morning now. You know, FIFA is live.
Maybe about 2 more left.
How long them video be? Yeah, man.
You know, I support the thing, you know. You know,
I support it, man. The video them bad. I like them.
I forgot to mention, I'm also going to do is hair. I'm going to wash it and tighten it, retwist it. That's what they call it, I think, yeah. And make it look like somebody picnic, right? No.
This is not real.
This is a real thing.
Real
Make it look
deal.
like someone's child, so yeah.
You should see my edges.
Show them edges, no? Too hot. What you look here?
Oh.
Let it make you run?
Yeah, look, still. Yeah, okay.
You know, if I have no towel, where towel left to run the neck?
And that's what makes you know, so one towel back is up at night.
This?
Anyone. This one.
But some of the head more picnic. That junior. You know, so this was still man, big head.
People wash their hair, people smell and you over bath by washing their hair.
Because you shouldn't supposed to stand up in a bath and wash your hair yourself, but no. Only thing I got cut.
What?
Where is it?
No one about that. More soap and
I
something.
mean, I have back problem, you know, so.
Yeah, that's stupid.
You have to get the ends like that. Use this part of your finger people and massage the scalp. Not scalp. I usually section it and just rub it like that to get the length out. Like you wash it like how you would normally wash shoelace. Another section. I think I need a bit more fab. Time to rinse. Then we're going to give it a second wash. Okay, Tresemme shampoo.
Tresemme.
And that too. This is the second ladder.
Just much more soap, you know.
You really want to get in the scalp, get the hair. If we get a good scrub now, like the scalp. Okay, so I've just finished washing his hair. Now I'm going to use the locking cream wax, this one, in your local beauty supply store. I'm going to use this if I need, and also some pins and stuff like that. So I'll leave all this in the description below. So now I'm going to like retwist his hair, yeah, so it can look like someone's child again. Okay. Has this Cantu shea butter. I might as well use it as well, but yeah.
Yeah, there's one in like I'll put like them together like that. Then just leave it like that. I don't think it could be like that. Or something the American done do them.
Have a seat, right? Have a seat. Thank you. You need a tail comb, guys. A tail comb.
Nah, shave your side up there.
Oh.
Yeah.
I didn't bargain for that, love. I need like pull up on or something.
Yeah, man. Yo, make a want you subscribe to our page, you know.
Subscribe already.
Patrice, man, you know the damn thing going on YouTube.
Subscribe.
With me. I'm my life, flow me, let me risk it. Now when you clean and look like somebody pitney.